The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, good morning. Fellas, happy hump day, guys. Today is Wednesday. Dennis, good morning and thank you. Robert, good morning. Today is March 5th, Wednesday. Halfway through the week. Lita, good morning. Got a fair amount of news. Thank you, Ed. Fair amount of news today. 8:30, 10 o'clock. A couple of speakers from the Bank of England this morning. Not sure how much effect that will have. In any event, guys, very good morning. I have, I guess, for benefit of both the trials and, of course, my members, especially those that own the bot, I have built a crude setting on the original bot. I turned it on at 6 a.m. And as of yet, good morning, Brett. As of yet, it has not executed a trade. So it is crude inventory day. You guys know I'm not a big fan of trading crude on inventory day, but nonetheless, if there are no trades taken on the bot in crude by maybe 10 a.m., I'll probably shut it off ahead of inventory. Okay. I will, of course, run gold again today. And as always, the NASDAQ. So I'm running 3 original bots today. I have somewhat relegated Algo 3.2 to the bench, if you will. I will continue to track it, but for all of my members that have Algo 3.2, it made very little money last month. And after yesterday's greater than any loss we have ever seen on it, took 3 trades, all 3 losers. I would suggest that you simplify and trade 1, 3, and the 500 tick. Just a suggestion. The 500 tick, I finally did the numbers from last month, and the 500 tick, this is trading 3 contracts, guys. Last month made 14,590 exclusive of last Friday. I don't know what it did. I wasn't here. It's so far for the month, it's up 2,500 bucks. All right. Today is March 5th. Let's get that in there. So that is obviously the big performer. 3-1 and 3-3 are profitable. Just 3-2, just can't get right. So trade them as you see fit. Those that obviously don't join at 8 a.m. are going to miss that announcement. I'll post it in Skype later. In any event, I hope you guys all had a great afternoon. Yeah, something about Canada and Mexico and a drug war. Lutnick speaking. Trump may consider giving relief. Let this thing jock around. We're not trading this mess. Once again, we may stay away from the NASDAQ by and large. So I suggest that you guys add, like I have, to my DOM, NASDAQ, YM, ES, natural gas, gold, crude, and copper. This way here, if like yesterday, we get a nice trade in copper, gold, potentially natural gas, YM, crude, you guys can trade it instead of, waiting on just the NASDAQ. All right. Trial members, I have some of you, a couple of you whose trials will end today. I sent you an email, 2 of you. I sent you both an email yesterday letting you know today would be your last day. I will, of course, send a follow-up email today for the rest of you that have been here a couple of days. I hope things are getting a little easier. And let's get after it, guys. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance. For $92 or so, 99 would be next. Below that, 92.50 on NASDAQ.
Target filled.
All right, target 2 hit on gold.
1 minute ago now.
News here at 8:30. First trade of the day on gold. Like to see it get at least second target here. I miss anything, Greg?
Nah, I've just been going over some levels that I'm watching. You know,
Okay.
the range is so large. It's I didn't have a gold short, so nice on that. Actually, kind of thinking it might press back up, but we'll see.
It got first target. It is sitting on support here at 074 area. Natural gas could break down. Maybe below 42.65.
I've got the same area.
It's going to be a first What's your stop on gold?
I've got a 0.65.
Okay.
UK's Energy Minister Miliband says there is an urgent need to plan for the future of the North Sea.
Order submitted.
Once it breaks that 16.5, I'll be tightening up.
Okay. Yes, Adam, it is. Come on. Through 14. Let's go. Man up. Three minutes, guys. A little bit of resistance here at 15, but all right, guys, we've got 2 minutes. It's actually offered at the target. It just hasn't bid it. There it is. Should take it. Well, didn't. Hit it twice. There it is. Target filled. All right, here we go. Sellers in the NASDAQ on the open, right back to flat on the day. Gold is now moving pretty good. Here it is on the bot.
Come on. More ticks, you can do it.
16.2.
All right. Move my stop up to 12.
Okay.
Target filled.
There's target 2. Now it's just freebie central.
Breaks 18.4. We what was that? 20,
Cancel.
22? Yeah. That what you were looking at too there, Robert? 22?
Yep. 21.3 area. All right, guys. Final target pretty quickly here. 1 tick. It's got a break here, 19.6. That's actually resistance. It's pushing the
Order filled.
cloud. Got a short here at 79 on the NASDAQ, 78.75. It's a whale of a stop, but that's it bounced, put in a slightly higher low. We're just kind of chopping around in a fairly big range here. Gold bot is up 1460. NASDAQ bot will be on here in 24 seconds. And I don't think crude's going to find a long this decade at this.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled. Remember, guys, daily goal for me here is $1,000. So if we get to 1,000,
Target filled.
and it's up about 600 now. With the runner, it'd be at 1,000. If this gets that last contract, it'll be well over 1,000. That'll be the end. Be done for the day. Here's your short
Order
coming.
submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Here, guys. Algo 3.1 and 3.3 now on the bottom.
Filled.
There it is.
Order canceled.
1 trade, fellas. 1 trade. I'm done. 1650. I'm done. No point in running it. So we're up 1650 there, 1460 there, $3,100 on 3 trades. Crude is down 260. And I don't think we're going to get a rebound here to get that green, but that's cool.
Today is inventories.
Yeah, and I don't like typically running, trading crude on inventory day, but I ran it. Algos are green. If you guys joined late, here's 3.2, up 655. After yesterday's, fairly stiff loss, I've relegated this somewhat to the bench. I have added the gold. Ron, I thought you canceled your membership.
Order submitted.
Could have sworn I saw an email come in.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, 500 tick. Nice job, Chris. Anybody take that breakdown short, guys? That was your short. 77, 78 area. All right, send an email to support if you would. Nice job, guys.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Guys, this has already hit target. It hit target.
Filled.
Whoa.
Order canceled.
There you go. Target filled. You guys good? Anybody hold it? Anybody take that and hold it? Okay. It's all right. All right. Target 1 hit.
Order canceled.
Target 2 hit. This is done. I believe it. This is trade number 4. Target. Adam, those are the targets. So it had 1, 2 for 2.
Order canceled.
It's out now. So it took 1 short, 1 for 1. Thought it was 4 for 4. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. 3 for 3. Done. That's it for me. It's off, guys. $1,200. I'll go over totals at the when we're done. 3 for 3 on the 500 tick. Algo 3.2 up 655 today. I'm done for the day with that. I'm done for the day with all of them. So up 655 there. Algo's 3.1 and 3.3 up 255 and 280 respectively. So 1 trade each. That's it. 255 and 280. So we'll do 3.1. It was up yesterday. I forgot what the hell it did. I'll have to go back and check. Anybody remember what it did without me having to go back and check? 3 something. I didn't mark that either. What a dummy. All right, those are the algos. All right. NASDAQ bot. I shut it off after the first trade. The first trade. Hit daily goal. Now, for those of you guys that are on trial, and maybe those of you guys that are members that are still using the bot, there is a setting in there, guys, for daily goal and daily draw. Right? Everybody here should have a daily goal and a daily draw. Trading infinitum is not a trading strategy. Well, we could trade from 9:30 till 4. Yeah, you can do anything you want, but the probabilities increase that you're going to have losing trades. My daily goal for these the bots is to get over $1,000 per day. That's cumulative, right? Now, the first trade, the first trade did it, right? It's all I needed. Here's the first trade. Done. All right. I gave up $200 here. This took a short, another $200, another $200, another $600 on that trade, $200 on that trade. Well, there's a loser. $200, loser. $200, big loser. See what I'm saying? You can push the issue. You know, here's a loser, winner, 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 3 in a row. Loser, loser, loser. Another loser. The markets, once they go into that chop, you don't want to be trading it. But another daily goal hit. Gold, I did the same thing. Shut it off up 1460. Now gold had this short for a small win, caught that long, and that's where I shut it off. Would have had another $200. These are just two signals. And another $600 and another $200. So 6, 8 would add another $1,000. Could have lost $1,000. If you guys are here on trial and you're contemplating purchasing the algo or the bot, right? Automated system, one or the other. It will always benefit you to have a daily goal and a daily draw and adhere to that. All right. I do have a couple trials that are ending to, do you have a 1 minute bot running? I don't know. I have no 1 minute bot.